Well, hey guys, Juan here. Thanks for stopping by my channel and checking out this video. So today I'm going to show you guys how to reset your network on your Samsung Smart TV. Now I had some issues where my Wi-Fi wasn't working, so I had to go through and reset the network so that way it would pick up my Wi-Fi signal and fix any kind of problems that I had. So I'm going to show you a step-by-step process and how to reset it. First thing that you're going to want to do is grab your remote control. Alright, so with your remote in hand, the first thing that you're going to want to do is click that home button right there on your remote control. Alright, so when you click the home button, go all the way to the left to where it says settings. Now here, don't go up. You're going to want to click on the settings. So click enter on settings there, and it'll bring up this option here, and you're going to go down to where it says general, and then click over to where it says network, and then click on network. Alright, so it brings up a few different options here, and you're going to want to go down to that third one there that says reset network, and then click enter. Now it gives you the option to cancel. We're going to want to go over to where it says reset. Alright, resetting the network settings. Please wait. Alright, now it says the network settings have been reset, and you can set them again by selecting network settings. So we're going to go ahead and click on the network settings. Alright, now it's asking wireless or wired. So depending on how your internet connection is on your TV, mine's wireless, so I'll go ahead and click it there, and then you would just enter in your wireless settings. Okay, so once you click on your wireless, you'll find your Wi-Fi network here. Mine's the FBI surveillance vehicle. So then you'll click that, and then you'll enter in your password. Okay, after you enter in your password, it'll look for your network connection, and then it says wireless connection success. Alright, so after it connects to your wireless connection, it'll say success, and your TV is now connected to the internet. Alright, and then your TV will be connected to your internet again, and your network settings have been fixed. So hopefully this will fix your problem. If it does, go ahead and click a thumbs up on it. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I make tech videos all the time, and I would love to have you back in the next one. Take care.